Hello everyone!
Hola!
Welcome, it's Josh and Vicky, a couple of nomads. We hope you're having a fantastic day today. As you see, we are maskless. So
Yeah.
today is the first day that Spain has lifted the countrywide mask use policy.
Yeah, so only outside mask mandate has been lifted. If you can keep the distance with other people, as long as you can do that, you are not required to wear them. So when we're walking or not a lot of people around, then we can actually breathe a little bit.
Ooh, yeah, so it's a warm day out today. It's about 80, 81 here in Valencia. Right now we are walking Hodu.
Hodu's right here.
You can see if you can see her. But what we're walking to now is the City of Arts and Sciences.
City of Arts and Science is definitely one of the landmarks in Valencia. It is a beautiful building, so we're gonna show you guys around that area, kind of enjoy the beautiful architecture. And then there is right next to Turia, so we'll enjoy the park. And there is also beautiful rose garden there, so we'll check out the rose garden with Hodu. Probably gonna stop at the outdoor bar that they have right next to the rose garden with Hodu and have some drinks.
So we'll see you guys here in just a couple minutes.
Yep, see you soon.
We are here at the City of Arts and Sciences right here in Valencia.
Yep, City of Arts and Science is actually one of the 12 treasures in Spain. And it's also one of the most important tourist destinations in Valencia, right here.
So we're gonna show you guys around the grounds here. There's about 5 or 6 different buildings. As you can see, the building behind me, it's very modern architecture, really nice pools and a lot of art exhibits and that type of thing here. But we're going to get you guys an outside look of everything that this place has to offer. So we just walked into the botanical garden. They have tons of flowers, palm trees that grow up into a dome that just goes to the sky, which is really cool.
It smells awesome in here because there are so many rosemaries.
Really cool spot. So here you have the botanical garden. Directly across, this is actually a club. So dancing, all that good stuff. Hi! So we are here. This is the main vaccination point for the Valencian community. So there are about 5 million people in Valencia, the entire community. Right here in the city of Valencia, we have about 1 million, and this is the big vaccination point. So we're still hoping to get our text here in the next week or two, but when we do, this is where we come. So right outside of the vaccination point, you see everyone leaving with their paperwork. They have a convenient cerveza stand. So I got the Elegia sin filtrar.
Heineken 00 for me to start with.
Cheers.
She sit, shake, other hand, sit. High five. Good girl. Good girl. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this video so far.
If you are, please hit that like button. It'll really help us out and let other people just like you find it here on YouTube. So thank you so much for hitting that like button now.
Thank you.
Okay, I always see people try this trick. Vicky and Hodu are gonna go to that end of this big arch thing and talk and see if I can hear her down here. So
Yeah.
let's listen.
Let's see if that works.
Let's go. So there's this huge arch thing. And supposedly if you talk at that end, it'll come down to this end. I always see kids doing it. Let's hear. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Crazy.
So let me remind you, Vicky is way down there, guys. You can see her. She's behind the umbrella.
She's confused. She can hear daddy, but she doesn't see the daddy.
So that actually works. So when you're here, come and try it. Hodu! Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Hi! Hi! Look, this kid's going to try it now. He's going to try it. He was down there and his dad goes, go down there. So up here is where we were earlier. That's the garden up top. Over here is the vaccination point. And then here is Turia Park. So we're right on Turia Park here. Hodu, if she could, would swim in there. And sometimes they would have paddle boarding and things like that right out here. But they've stopped it because of COVID.
Exhibitions and concert and many events, like including international sports. So yeah, it's kind of like a big convention center, I guess. It's a beautiful building. So right next to Agora, if you walk towards this way, you can get to this Oceanographic, which is the largest aquarium in Europe.
We're gonna head down into Turia Park right now, show you guys some of Turia, head to the Rose Garden, and see if our little Rose Garden bar is also open.
So let's go check it out.
This massive pomegranate tree. Very cool. So here we have olive trees right next to the pomegranate trees. You see the little olives here?
Oh, so there are mulberry trees here too, which we didn't know about. And the other day we're actually walking, we saw the guy literally under the tree doing, he was like picking and eating the mulberry. So there are mulberry trees. If you can reach them, you can eat them. Right behind me, there's beautiful rose gardens. Let's go. There are so many different kind of roses. They're all blooming, all different colors, different breeds, I believe. Michael, you'll love it.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed
garden. Just look for this big spaceship building here. And on the other side is the rose garden. And then when you turn this way, this is where we're going next. The Rose Garden Bar. So let's go.
Oh, dude, for some reason, love crossing the bridge. Come on, dude, let's go.
They have slushy machines up there. I asked him if the slushy had alcohol, and he said no. But he can add some alcohol. What alcohol do I want? So I got a Mandarin slushy with an addition of rum. So cheers.
My first summer tinto verano. So when you come to Spain, as most of you might think, the sangria is not nearly as common. This is really what Spaniards drink. Of course, not always come with the can, but they mix the red wine and with this casera. I think it's like a soda. Very refreshing. Hodu would love to do that, but she can't because she just got a bath yesterday. Hi, Hodu.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the walk around the park today in the City of Arts and Sciences.
Yep, it was such a beautiful place and beautiful walk, so hope you truly enjoyed it.
If you did, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down there and also hit that like button.
And the comment below. Always let us know what you think and what else you want to see.
So until next time, hasta luego!
Hasta luego! What are you eating? Oh my god.
She's over there. Oh no.